Good evening from my side.
Hello, good evening.
How are you?
I'm doing very well, sir. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, welcome.
So basically today we will meet for your just take your feedback about our
Yeah,
online
yeah,
training program because we already completed the total 7 days online training program and
yeah,
also
sure.
submit all of assignment. So that's why before certificate just we take your feedback about our online training program. Okay, so please introduce yourself first.
So, my name is Ahmad Abdullah Adam from Sudan initially. Now I'm studying in India, PhD scholar in Mizoram University. So, and I'm very happy that I see you again live. I'm always like my playlist or is your your course, no? Study
Thank
hack.
you. Okay.
Really, you are offering very good uh, videos and
Think about our online training program. Is it anyone who don't have any knowledge about the Google Earth Engine or JavaScript? They can easily learn all of those things or not? What do you think about that?
actually, the first time I got to know about this, it was from my friend. We are trying to working with remote sensing, going download the images. Like your study area is a bit big, you download 3, 4 swag, then again come and combine them. That's a bit taking like data and storage. So I found one of my friend. He's from Thailand. Yes, he was working on fire monitoring. So he used Google Earth Engine platform. I told him how to do this. He told me I'm using Java scripts and like Python language. So I was about fascinated about that. Then I searched in YouTube. Then the first one pop up it was Study Hack YouTube channel. Then I start follow your videos. Then one day I find that you announced there is online training courses, and I decide to join. And then yeah, I think you remember 2023, like
Yeah.
January, February. That's during my master time. Yes, I lucky complete uh, my master. Yes.
Okay, great. More advanced online training programs such as deep learning, machine learning, or other advanced program on remote sensing, then you can also join. You can get all of those things from our website. And further, if you want, you can also join further later. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What? Just so if I can allow you to, in that land use, I have one a bit like a small problem. If you check in Legend, after I did all the classification, I took so many training sites, around like 1,000 or 1,000 something. So, but when in the Google platform, it's showing nice, but when I export the image and download and I try to visualize an arc map, I have 4 classes, but actually the built-up classes is not coming, and I don't know.
Okay. Just send me this code. I will check the export code again, and further I will guide you how we can do it. No problem.
Okay, okay then.
Okay.
Yes, and okay, then you said this is a lifetime support. So if any problem happen,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
will.
Further, if it's any problem, you can get the lifetime teaching support for any issue about your code. You can get it freely. No problem.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to do that drought monitoring. So uh, for all the indices is fine, but to apply that fuzzy membership something and AHP that part I don't know. I will see. I will read if I got stuck. Then
Okay. You can if any step, then you can simply knock me. I will guide you. No problem. Okay.
okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you for joining now. Okay. So thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Welcome, sir.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye. See you then.